How to create a ClickBank account. So if you want to create a ClickBank account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And now in the search bar, search for ClickBank. And on the first search you will have www.clickbank.com. Click on that and it will directly take you to the web page. So now to create an account, click on login, which is on the upper right corner, and then scroll down, and here you will have create an account option. Click on create an account. And now to create an account, first you have to choose your country. You can click on the drop down bar and then you have to choose your country. And after choosing your country, you have to enter your first and last name. And after entering your first and last name, on the next blank you have to enter your phone number. You have to choose your country code by clicking on the drop down bar, and then you have to choose your country, and after choosing that you can enter your phone number here. And after entering your phone number, you have to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, you have to create a password, and the password must contain at least 2 lowercase letters, 2 uppercase letters, and 2 numbers, 2 special characters, for example these characters. And password cannot exceed 32 characters, and password cannot contain spaces. So keeping this in mind, you have to create a password. And after entering your password or creating your password, click on continue to terms and conditions. If you want to read the terms and conditions, you can simply read this one and go back, and then you have to click here so that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And after that you can click on create account, and that's it. That's the way to create a ClickBank account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.